Sometimes your house could be super clean, but at the same time, it may not be as organized as it should be. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm decluttering my bathroom from underneath the sink to on top of the sink. As you can see, my bathroom is very cluttered right now because we live very busy lives, and sometimes we just don't have time to just put everything back, throw things away that don't belong, and get rid of stuff. So I'm going to be at IKEA looking for items to use to organize, and I really like these bins a lot. These bins are called the Qgis bins. I use them all the time to organize my makeup and all of that other stuff. They come in different sizes. I went with the medium size, and they also come with lids. Based off of analyzing your space, you're gonna be able to know what sizes you need and how many you're gonna need. For me, I only needed a few medium size, as you can see from the bottom of my sink. I'm also going to be using these baskets to organize my shower because I'm trying to get rid of the clutter on the ledge that I have next to my tub. I don't want anything there, so I'm going to be hanging these on the wall. So now that I got everything that I need, I'm back home, and what I'm going to be starting with is taking out everything from the cabinet and starting from scratch. The key thing to organizing is to just start all over and get rid of things that you don't want anymore, keep things that you know you're gonna use, and also putting everything in categories. For every item that you pick up, you want to ask yourself, when was the last time I used this item? Is this item valuable to my life? Do I still need this item? And can I see myself using this item in the near future? I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I have a habit of keeping empty packaging. I don't know why I do that, but for some reason, I feel like it's just because I'm lazy and I just never throw stuff away right away when I know for a fact it has no use to my life. Leave a comment and let me know if you do the same thing. Now that we're done with that, we're going to just wipe the cabinet out. Mine wasn't really dirty, so I just kind of like gave it a quick little, wipe out, sprayed it down, and that was done. So starting with a really deep white container, I'm just putting all the cleaning products inside, and then I'm going to go ahead and put that in the cabinet first. Now taking the medium white container, I'm going to be using it to put some of my hair utensils in, such as my perm rods, my coloring brushes, and my hair clips and stuff like that inside. Next, using the second container, I went ahead and put some of my girly products in there, my razors, my cotton swabs, my face stuff, all in there. And yeah, that's pretty much that. Well, I couldn't find a place for my pads, but what do you expect from a pad? I mean, that's what periods are for, right? Just trifling. So now, using the shelves that I bought, I split it in half so that it could fit under the shelf, and I'm just going to be putting all my hair products on the bottom shelf and putting No, actually, that's what I was gonna do. But then I decided to put my hair products on the top shelf and then put body products and face products on the bottom. Now that we're done with that, taking that container that I already got, which I got from IKEA by the way, I'm just using that and putting all of my like first aid stuff, like my alcohol, my Epsom salt, my peroxide, and all of that other stuff inside. And that's pretty much just gonna be my little first aid basket if I have to, like, you know, fix any cuts or whatever, the usual. Sometimes you just gotta rearrange stuff so that everything makes sense, because obviously I was having trouble here because that pipe was really getting in my way, so I had to like move stuff around. So I ended up putting the cleaning products towards the back and putting the first aid stuff to the front, and using the little space in the middle where I can't fit anything to put like the stray items. And this is all of the garbage that I accumulated during this whole process. It wasn't so bad. Usually it's a lot. So this is the finished product of the bottom of the cabinet, and I think it came out pretty good, guys. I actually think it's really organized. I know where everything is, and that is the key to organizing. You just gotta know where everything is whenever it's time to grab and go. Now it's time to work on this sorry excuse for a bathroom sink. I don't even know how it got to this point, but we're gonna fix that. So before I started, I actually took some of the stuff from on top of the counter that belonged underneath, and I put it with its family. So that's why the counter looks a little bit better than it did a second ago. But now we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing, which is take everything off and clean off the countertop completely. And voila, we have a clean working space, and I am too happy right now. So I'm starting by taking these little white containers that I also got from IKEA, and I'm gonna just be suctioning those on the sink. And if you could tell by my body language, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just kind of like making it up as I go. So I'm just gonna put this on my side, and now in my head I'm thinking maybe I could do like a bootleg his and her side using 2 of the white containers. So I'm going ahead and first adding my products to my side, and then I'm gonna see how it works out before I do the other container. That's mine, but I think he's gonna have to share his side. This is the finished product, guys. I love how it came out. It is exactly what I pictured. Before starting the shower project, I'm going to be taking some of my shampoo and conditioner, which is one of the reasons why the bathroom gets so messy. I'm going to take them and I'm going to put them in a solid container that I got from IKEA, and that's going to keep it looking like very clean and minimalistic instead of having all these random bottles and prints and colors everywhere. Now we're going to be working on the shower, which is very cluttered in my opinion because it's always products all over the ledge and a lot of nasty residue on the ledge, and it just gets on my nerves. So I'm just going to try to like solve that problem. So basically what I'm just going to do is the same thing, which is take everything off, wipe the area down, and start from scratch. The main reason why I'm trying to get all of the products off of the ledge for good is because cleaning this ledge leads to paint peeling off. As you can see, that's not my problem, but it's really the leasing office that's supposed to handle that. But we're just gonna try to avoid me having to like scrub the ledge, which is why getting all of the products away from the ledge is the best option. And this is the finished product, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see any future videos similar to these, and make sure you share this video and leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys next time.